If you're looking for a simple yet secure way to share documents with clients in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing sensitive information or just need an easy way to stay organized, SuiteDash offers some powerful tools to help you protect your client data. But how does it stack up when it comes to security? Let's dive into it and uncover how to securely share documents with clients in SuiteDash. First off, SuiteDash makes it incredibly easy to upload documents for sharing. Simply navigate to the Documents section in your client portal. From there, you can quickly drag and drop files into the system. This is a straightforward feature, but what really matters is how SuiteDash handles security, especially when you're dealing with potentially sensitive data. Next, the platform utilizes encryption for both file storage and file transfer, ensuring that all documents shared between you and your clients are kept secure. This is essential for protecting against unauthorized access. SuiteDash also gives you control over who can access your documents, so you can set permissions for each client. For example, you can give them view-only access or allow them to download the file, depending on the level of engagement you want. The third thing to keep in mind is the built-in audit trail. SuiteDash automatically logs all activity related to shared documents, meaning you can track who accessed a document and when. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and ensuring that your document sharing practices are fully compliant with data protection standards. Next, if you're worried about sharing large files, SuiteDash offers secure file storage with the added benefit of being able to share files without worrying about email attachment size limits. You can also set automatic expiration dates on shared documents. This feature is perfect for time-sensitive contracts or confidential materials you don't want sitting around longer than necessary. Now, one downside to keep in mind is that SuiteDash's document sharing features are limited when compared to some competitors. If you're looking for advanced security features like password protection or two-factor authentication for shared files, SuiteDash doesn't offer those out of the box. While the encryption and permissions are strong, it lacks some of the high-level options that other platforms provide, especially for more stringent security needs. Which brings us to our next point. What are the alternatives? If you're after a more secure way to share documents, some platforms offer password protection, two-factor authentication, and higher levels of encryption for file transfers. These features are great for anyone who needs that extra peace of mind, especially in industries that deal with highly sensitive information. Finally, while SuiteDash is an excellent choice for many businesses, it might not be the best for every situation, particularly if document security is your top priority. And that's where we come in with an exclusive offer. If you're interested in giving SuiteDash a try, you can use the link in the description below for an exclusive and extended free trial. But before you jump in, we've also got some amazing alternatives to recommend. These platforms also come with free trials and are perfect if you're looking for a more secure document sharing solution. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out those alternatives. Links are in the description, and decide which tool works best for you and your clients.